Wat Pho is a Buddhist temple complex in the Phra Nakhon district in Bangkok, Thailand. Also known as the Temple of the Reclining Buddha, the temple is first on the list of 6 temples in Thailand classed as the highest grade of the first-class royal temples. It is associated with King Rama I, who built the temple complex in an earlier temple site. It became his main temple and is where some of his ashes are enshrined. The temple complex houses the longest collection of Buddha images in Thailand, including a 46-meter-long reclining Buddha. The image of the reclining Buddha represents the entry of Buddha into nirvana and the end of all reincarnations. The posture of the image is referred to as Sihasayas, the posture of a sleeping or reclining lion. The figure is 15 meters high and 46 meters long and is one of the largest Buddha statues in Thailand. The right arm of the Buddha supports the head with tight curls, which rests on 2 box pillows encrusted with glass mosaics. The soles of the feet of the Buddha are 3 meters high and 4.5 meters long and inlaid with mother of pearl. They are each divided into 108 arranged panels displaying the auspicious symbols by which Buddha can be identified, such as flowers, dancers, white elephants, tigers, and altar accessories. Although the reclining Buddha is not a pilgrimage destination, it remains an object of popular piety. An annual celebration for the reclining Buddha is held around the time of the Siamese Songkran, or New Year, in April, which also helps raise funds in the upkeep of Wat Pho.